What's going on, guys? Adam back with Atomic Garage, and today we're going to change it up a little bit. We're actually going to take one straight out of the playbook of Mike's tool shed, and we are going to be unboxing and talking about this Milwaukee tool. This is the 2691-22. It is a combo kit, and we're going to crack it open and see what all comes in it. So guys, as the intro just stated, I just pulled the trigger and actually bought a new combo kit. I needed a new drill and I wanted a new impact kit. And I work at Fastenal, so I was able to get this at a pretty good deal. I got this for around $239. When you look at a lot of other places, you may find some a little bit cheaper, but it's not exactly the same. Let's go ahead and crack this box open and see what all comes with this. So as the front shows here, it comes with a drill and the impact. It comes with two 1.5 batteries. It comes with the M18/the M12 battery charger, and it comes with a contractor bag. And the main features, as it shows on the box, is the metal chuck and the metal gear case. So let's open it up and see what's all in it. Alright, so everything is already actually inside of the contractor bag, and I'm going to set this box to the back for a second. So here it is, the contractor bag, and honestly, oh man, nice little design to it, not too bulky, not too crazy at all. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what all comes in it. Alright, little clamshell design here. First thing that we open up is got a lineup of all the other tools that come with it, all the other Milwaukee tools that you can get that Milwaukee supports. So many different kind of brands with the part numbers that come along with it. Of course, you got your operator's manual, talks about everything and has numbers for it as well. Then we get on to the M18/the M12 charger. It does both of them. If you have the smaller impacts as well, you can use those and the lights for them. One battery, two batteries, a little cardboard here to separate it, and this is when we get to some of the good stuff. All right, and this is everything that came out so far, and we look into the bag, and now here we have it. We've got the drill here, little cardboard divider, presentations, everything, and also the impact, which, wow, look at that. That is really small. We're going to set this to the side for now, and we're going to focus in on the rest of this stuff. So now let's go ahead and take all of this out of the plastic, and let's look at everything up close and personal. So here it is, guys, everything that would come within this 2691-22 toolkit. And one of the main things that catch my eye is just how compact that impact driver is. Like, it's teeny tiny. It also comes with the belt clip as well, which comes in more handy than you would actually think it does. Also, the actual drill itself also is not very big as well, which is pretty surprising, honestly. Just the day and age that we live in with tools has become smaller and smaller. Also, these two impact batteries, let's see if any of them come with a charge. All right, so that doesn't really have much of a charge. What about this one? Not much of a charge either. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug these up, and we're going to go ahead and charge those so I can use those for a later time. But man, this stuff looks good, and we're going to talk about some of the specs of these tools. So we've gone ahead and got one of the batteries on the charger, and that is charging right now. Won't be demonstrating anything on camera. There's plenty of videos that does a much better job of it, but I wanted to talk about a few things that's on this box, and one of the things that really catches my eye is this here, right here. This is a pretty big deal. This is the 5-year warranty on the tool itself and 2-year warranty on the battery. So as long as you have an actual legitimately purchased tool, you could take it to any authorized distributor of Milwaukee. You could walk in there, hand them the tool, they will send it out, get it fixed, and be brought back. 5 years is more than most other tool companies, so that is a big deal all on itself. Another thing that I wanted to mention is this was the sheer fact that anytime that you buy a tool from Milwaukee, make sure that you go on their website and look at their Ebates section. On their website, they run constant promotions throughout the entire year of if you buy this, you can get this. And since I bought this kit right here, that made me eligible for a free 1.5 battery. Now, I am still waiting on that, but all you're doing is following the simple steps of showing who did you buy it from, putting in your invoice number, and uploading a picture of it. You can take a picture of your invoice with your phone if you want and upload it, and automatically they will put you in, and once it's all said and done, they will send you out your own battery. So just because I bought this toolkit here, this combo kit, I'm going to get a third battery 1.5 for free, which makes it even easier for me for the simple fact that I have two now with two tools. When I go to buy my 1/2-inch impact, I will have a third battery for the third tool, and I think honestly that's pretty awesome. So regularly check on their website for anything. They have constant promotions, and you can get an impact for free. You can get drills for free. You can get lights for free. You can get all kind of different things, and Milwaukee really does go out of their way for customer service, for their warranty, and for just giving out really good deals, to be honest with you. Now, some of the specs on this 1/2-inch impact drill driver, just between the RPM of the tool is pretty amazing, but the torque is 500 inch-pounds, which is really good. Of course, got that all-metal ratcheting clutch, which is more than good. And again, this tool is very small at 7¼ inches long. That really isn't long at all, and it's really lightweight for its design as well. But it's beefy. It feels like I spent money on it. It's solid. It's not plasticky. It's nothing like my old Craftsman drill that I worked with for years. Then moving on to the 1/4-inch hex compact impact driver here, the RPM of this is 2750. That is blisteringly fast for this tool here. Torque is 1500 inch-pounds coming out of a package that is 5½ inches long and only 3 pounds. Like, that is super light. These tools, the quality of Milwaukee is absolutely grade A. Now I know what you're saying. You're saying, Adam, why should I buy Milwaukee tools? And the answer is honestly pretty simple. Don't do it because I do it, even though I am an extreme cheapskate. And anytime I pull a trigger on something, it is just about worth it because I research it to death. But also the fact that Milwaukee has been around a long time, just like DeWalt tools. And while I personally have nothing against DeWalt tools, I've owned several before. Honestly, it doesn't compare to since Milwaukee has done this rebrand and rolled out with their entire tool set. The amount of tools that come with it, the prices that they get, the rebates, the Ebates of a free battery or a free 1/2-inch impact or free lights and free all kind of different things makes Milwaukee one of the top brands, honestly. I do work at Fastenal, as I said before, and I've sold a lot of tools before, but one brand that I do not get complaints out of at all are Milwaukee tools. Honestly, Milwaukee tools are really stepped up their game and become a true force to be reckoned with. Gone are the days of DeWalt tools constantly ruling every place that you work at. Those tools have definitely been sitting on shelves, and people have been trading them in on Milwaukee tools because the brand, the quality of their batteries, the quality of everything is hard, and it's pretty awesome. Like, you can abuse these tools, though I wouldn't recommend it. You can abuse them and get your money's worth out of them, hands down, no questions asked.